Even more. Woo! It's an easy.
Oh my lord.
Holy shit.
Good night.
All right, little 7 in the morning Y strap here. How's that feel, Nancy?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Oh. Needed that. Thumbs up.
Let that left hip fall. That was a good one. Man.
Ooh, ooh. Oh. I love it.
Here we go. Here we go. Let that muscle fall.
Yay.
Yay. Yay for adjustments.
Ooh. It went
There
before.
it goes, man.
Ooh.
Wow. Look at that.
That's good too.
Yeah, man. We got a smile in there, I swear.
We're crushing it.
There we go. Any last words? Any last
Thank you.
Oh. Here we're going to get the sacrum bone. We call this the keystone or the foundation. We're going to bring the hip over here. Let that fall nice and easy. Nice. That was good. All right, we got my crazy New Yorker.
Is this not the dentist? Boston.
This is the dentist. Yeah, she's very quiet, so just don't mind her shyness.
Oh!
You're going right here, though.
Oh!
Let that left hip fall.
Oh! Like a glow stick.
Glow stick. Here we go.
Oh! Yes!
Yes.
That's the money.
Man, I really need you to relax.
Whoa!
With that nice face all jump. Yeah. Okay, serious face.
Oh!
Good.
Woof!
Woof.
What are you doing? Get down!
All right, Mary. Here we go. Come on, we know that's good.
Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad.
It's been a long day. Okay.
Yeah.
Cut me some slack here. All right. Good. Let that head fall.
Oh, holy shit. My head's still attached. What? That was crazy.
What did it feel like?
My head just popped off. That's great though.
But it's
that's
on.
Nice.
It's...
That is nice. That is.
So we're going to adjust this patient right here. And you can see this is the right side, this is the left side. Head goes massively over to the left-hand side. So basically where these arrows are at, that's going to be more or less my lines of drives to correct this patient. So let me show you what the adjustment looks like. His head is looking like this. So we're going to do the opposite. And I hold that just for a second, reset those proprioceptors. Really let that fall, bud. Just gonna hold here.
2 thumbs.
2 thumbs?
Always.
I have 2 thumbs too. That's good.
Holy moly.
Come on up here.
Holy
What does that
moly.
feel like? Oh, sorry. Let me.
Absolutely incredible.
Incredible.
Yes.
I like that.
There's nothing better.
Nothing better.
Nothing better.
Keep going. This is good.
Yeah. I mean, you feel it down to your toes.
Head back all the way.
Ah. The popcorn has been officially made today. Like, there it is right there.
Popcorn. Oh. Okay, so you can see this right rib, this whole area is just elevated. So we're going to come in here, I'm going to press right in this area and kind of bring this area down. Restore some balance to this area. I'm going to lift this up here. Come just off the actual spinous processes. Good. Let that fall. Man, just as good. So we got my man coming from San Diego in the Navy. It's never been adjusted before. Other side.
Oh my god. Wow.
On your back. Lower one here. Drop that right shoulder. There we go. I'm gonna come right in here. Oh. You feel that release there?
Yeah.
When you opened up?
Yeah, when
Yeah.
you pulled back, I right in between my shoulder blades just went.
Boom.
Wow.
Yeah. Your reverse curve's at C5. It's right around right here. So then I'm going to bring your head back, and you're going to feel a little vibration.
My shoulders feel looser.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never cracked my shoulders like that. I mean, I've cracked my lower back before.
Don't be cracking yourself, man. Feeling down here, you can feel those inflammatory nodules right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here. Anytime there's some breakdown in the joints and misalignment, those joints build up inflammation. It's like rust on a nail. That's what causes pain, stiffness, tightness. It's all from the inflammation and scar tissue being accumulated in those joints.
Woo!
Dang.
And the rust is
Man,
gone,
and the
just
rust
like
is
that.
gone. Yep. It's a nice dose of WD-40 right
That's
to the
right.
joint. Yep.
That's right.
Well, and actually, on your x-ray, your head's kind of going like this. So we come in here a little bit on the base, so that apex, we're going to do a lateral break here. Really let that fall.
Whoa. Yes.
Man, what else would you rather do on a 7 a.m. in the morning Thursday, you know? What else would you want?
Right. That's what you want to do with this guy
Yeah,
right here.
yeah.